We partnered with Redi Enterprise Development to create CIFocus. And CIFocus is a solution that can help with validating the customer contact information that's on the bank's core and also automating, cleaning up some of that data that may not be accurate. And it can be based upon rules that are set by the individual institution on what they would like to do with that information. A lot of our clients that have gone through mergers and acquisitions find that post-merge of the data, there is a lot of information that may have duplicate information or a cell phone where a landline may need to go, and it's a really big process to get that cleaned up.
Oftentimes, our clients discover during implementation of a new system, it could be a customer relationship system or a new mobile banking app. It could be during a post-conversion or a merger that they have inaccurate customer data on core. And when you find out that you don't have clean data, it is definitely a problem.
We can take the heavy lifting off of them and help automate that process and actually do it through a monthly subscription. So it's not just that you clean your data one time and you move on and have the same problem 6 months later. It's something that can actually be working for you in the background all the time.